The aim of this presentation is to see how architecture affects the environment. Certain elements in studying in class. We choose the mall Paseo El Hatillo to do the analysis and highlight the activity and the flow of people that it is influenced by this building and its use. We cannot put aside the Hatillo is characterized by its colorful facade and all elements that seek to keep the mall in its design. This analysis will show the lifestyle and architecture go together, and one of the best examples in Venezuela is the current combination that exists in the Hatillo's town.
The external circulation of the building can be seen in two ways, vehicular and pedestrian, and both are home to just starting circulation system to the mall. In the rear of the building is an entry oblique to the ground floor, allowing immediate pedestrian circulation, which continues with horizontal internal circulation. While there are three driveways, an oblique entry to the front facade, which invites imagine inside the building because of its focus. Also is the driveway which is perpendicular to the left side facade, and another perpendicular to front facade, which is connected with the circulation of the surrounding shopping center. Vertical circulation. The mall offers many ways to tour the building vertically. Among them are the elevator, which achieves the goal of taking to the different floors of a more modern technology that offers to consumers greater convenience. It also has two escalator systems on two opposite sides of the building, giving the public the means to travel from two different perspectives, and also lots of people can move from one floor to another more quickly and efficiently. Likewise is the use of stairs, which complements the circulation system. Also offers continuous horizontal circulation, which allows the lateral ends, which offers a spacious, connect through a narrow passageway, can appreciate the central aperture of the building overlooking the ground floor. However, the ground floor of the mall is a large open space that invites you to be traveled in any way, and this makes them enjoy a vertical view. The latter indicates that the internal display of the mall is based on two types of movement, which are subtly interviewed to facilitate their travel.
The rim. In this building can identify a set of curves and lines in each plant, giving an unique and entertaining touch to the mall. You can see a repeat of dimension of the front side in the back. However, not present a repetition of form. For example, on the ground floor show a cube made at the end which creates an upward, which is not reflected in the front, which is an area that interacts with more curve. Similarly, diminishing seen from the center toward the side, because these costs are mostly overlaid compared to the central area. Unlike the remain flat in the town center is a narrow space that then opens toward the side. There are general illumination generated by natural light coming from a glass cover on the roof, and on each floor there are also large lamps which provide comfort for the circulation of public. It is noteworthy that this type of light is the most predominant in the mall because this place is frequent to be traveled. On the other hand, also show accent lighting as evident in show window, which focus on certain elements that make the place attractive, and for this reason you are invited to enter. When we speak of enlightenment, cannot put inside the color. They complement each other and make the entire mall lighting is attractive and warm.
The color in the mall is divided in three parts. Number 1. The ground floor and fourth floor are areas of specific activities, such as food and recreation. We believe that the activity used in each area is what makes us associate the colors and vice versa. In these two plans previously noted, there is a variety of color used to alert the customer according to the definition of color and local. For example, blue is the color used on the fourth floor for the movie theater, that it conveys peace and quiet, which is necessary to achieve the comfort in this area. While is the exhibition are present colors like red, orange, and yellow. They're presenting something more exciting, flashy, and creative, which attracts the public to use this service. All this without losing the original design adapting to Hatillo. Ground floor, one can observe a great diversity of colors in the storefronts because it continues the design of the town of Hatillo. In the first three floors, one notes the presence of white as main color, which transports you to a quiet place and passenger. On the fifth floor, unlike the rest, there is a presence of darkness shades of colors like brown, ochre, beige, and black, which generates seriousness, commitment, and authority. These floors, because of their color, match with the rest of the building.
The texture can be seen mainly in the building's exterior, and is generated through the different material of construction of the mall: brick, steel, glass, and concrete. This texture is not only visible but also tangible. In general, the corridors present extensive use of glass in both rails and store, which creates a sensation of depth, which refers to the visual texture.
The scale and space in this mall are clearly influenced by the colors and lighting of each place. For example, floors 1, 2, and 3 are more extensive, particularly for the clarity of each, which is created by a lighting and white. But the reality is that these spaces are smaller than the ground floor or the fourth floor, where the exhibition stands, which are smaller by the amount of furniture. When we speak of space, is not included only the color and lighting, are also involved the circulation and texture, as each element is affected by how people see and feel in this space. For example, the circulation on the fourth floor is limited due to the activity that takes place there. All this indicates that these elements always work well together and affect the development of the shopping center. This can also be seen in any place where we are and affects how to live or act in that place.